Hello. Good day everyone. I'm Tefs. Welcome back to this channel. This next video is about the double image of a Toshiba LED TV screen. If you like this content, so please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to this channel. You can also hit the notification bell for you will be notified every time I upload a new video. So let's get started. The double image screen can be fixed by disconnecting CKV and CKVB lines. Don't cut the CKV1 line first. Cut these CKV2 and CKVB1 lines first. Because CKV2 and CKVB1 lines are the cause of the double image, not on the CKV1 line. When you cut the line that does not cause the double image side, you will reconnect it again and then try the other side. The more you cut, the more you reconnect it. And it's not easy to reconnect the lines. Seems okay now. Now that this side is confirmed the cause of the double image, you will cut all this line now for the better results.
A few moments later.
The TV is working great. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Once again I'm Tevs. See you again next time. Bye for now.